Today, I will show you how to get activation code on Ubisoft Connect. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first method for you to get your activation code will be to launch up the Ubisoft Connect application on your Windows computer. And once you open it up, you're going to log in and you're going to open the library. You're going to select the game, and right next to the game you're going to see three dots. You're going to select those three dots, and once you click on it, it's going to open a dialog box that's going to say properties. So it's going to say properties here, and you're going to click on manage properties. Then it's going to open a new box that's going to show the display key, and you should be able to see your activation key from there. Now, if your game is an older game that was purchased through Steam, what you're going to do is you're going to launch up your application, and you're going to go to library on Steam. Now, once you go to library, on the far right here, you're going to see this cogwheel icon, and you're going to click on this cogwheel icon, and it's going to open up a dialog box, and you're going to see CD keys here. And once you click on it, it's going to show you the different product keys. You're just going to have to identify your game, and you're going to see your activation key for the game. Now, if by any chance you purchased your game using third-party retailers, what you're going to do is you're going to check for an email from that retailer, and usually activation key should be in the email. If not, you can go to the order history of your purchases in the retailer application, and you probably find the activation key in the description or part of the order that you made in the retailer website. Now, if you purchase a game from Epic Games, usually it doesn't show activation code. They don't provide activation code yet because you'll have to link your Ubisoft account to Epic Games. So what you might need to do is link your account. After linking your account, you're going to be able to launch your game automatically without needing the activation key. Now, that's how to find or to get your activation code on Ubisoft. Now, if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that being said, I'll see you in the next one.